What is going on, everybody? Welcome back for a brand new video. Thank you guys for tuning in. And currently, guys, we are on our way to pick up our brand new hood. Obviously, by the name of the video, by the thumbnail, you guys know we got a brand new hood, guys, and I'm super excited, super nervous. And I was between 3 different hoods. I've never really decided which hood I wanted until I came across this deal. It was just like a steal of a deal, guys. Like, I'm talking ridiculously cheap, and I couldn't pass up on it. So I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and pick it up. So we ended up getting the Cobra R. I do like the Cervini Ram 4 hood. I was between that one, the Stalker, or the Cobra R, but it's just, I feel like the Cervini Ram 4 looks a lot better on the 13, 14 models, or like the S550s. So I was like, you know what, I was kind of staying away from that one. If I ever get an S550, Cervini Stalker hood is the way to go, or a carbon fiber hood. I kind of wanted to get a carbon fiber hood on the car, but I just didn't really like how it looked. I don't know, I just didn't like it. Not on the 10 through 12 models. All right, I'm a big fan of it on the 13, 14s, S550s, but just not on my model. All right, so we ended up getting this one. Took it to Revivals Auto Spa. They're getting it painted as we speak. Shout out to Saul. They're always getting me taken care of, man. Always great work, great people to work with. So go ahead and check them out, guys. Even if you're not in the area, check out their page, follow them, just go give them some love. But yeah, guys, we're currently on our way to go pick it up, and I'm just super excited. Just check out the end product. So we are almost at the shop, and I just wanted to show you guys a quick before and after before we get the hood installed. On the height of the hood, if you're having issues, I mean, maybe seeing, if you're a short king like me, I'm 5'7", we'll see if it's an issue, but I mean, you can always just pump the seat up and get some more height on it. But yeah, so this is the before, and then I'll show you guys the after in a little bit. Here it is, guys. Sorry for the music, doesn't matter if we get copyrighted, just dang. Here it is. Cobra R hood, paint matched. Like a mini cow hood in a way, but that's gone. hood installed, paint matched, looks freaking amazing. Check that out, man. Dang, this is freaking insane. Quick little walk around. Check it out. I think it's just enough. Yeah. Oh yeah, super happy, man. Again, shout out to the boy Saul, Revivals Auto Spot, guys. Check them out, always doing great work. They'll take care of all your painting needs, whatever you need painted, full car, any body work, wheels, brake calipers, he'll get you guys taken care of. Let me go ahead and show you guys real quick the inside. Before someone calls me out, this bottom part is gonna get painted. We're just gonna bring it because I need to redo my wide body fenders and the passenger side that the clear coat's peeling off. Bring it back, so he'll get that later on. That's why I didn't install the what's it called, the wiper sprinklers, whatever you call them, because I don't want to install them then take them off and etc, etc. So might as well just leave everything off. Hopefully soon we're gonna come back, get all this taken care of. But here you go, guys, the before and after. And it's not bad, but man, honestly, I don't know how you people who have the 4-inch cowl hoods do it, because this is already like, it's enough for me. That's why I said this is just enough. And even then I'm still like, because I'm like at eye level right now. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for continuing to support the channel. I appreciate it, guys. Every view, every like, every comment, and every subscriber, guys. Always welcome to the channel. My name's Albert, guys. If you did enjoy the video, if you did find it informative, go ahead and drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe, guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.